Hello class, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to learn about chapter 17, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is that branch of mathematics where two numbers x and y are used to locate the position of point in graph paper. These 2 points are called the ordered pair and they are written in a specific order. X is written first and it's always followed by y, and this order cannot be changed. Example 2, 5. Here 2 is x and y is 5. So to locate the position of a point in graph paper, we use the coordinate axis. Now if we look at this figure here, the horizontal line x dash ox, the figure here is not that clear, you can see this in your textbook page 249, and the other one yo y dash. These are similar with number lines which you have read in class 8. These two lines are drawn perpendicular to each other and they intersect each other at here a point called origin. So this arrangement is called the coordinate axis. Here the horizontal line x or x dash is called the x-axis, the vertical line y or y dash is called the y-axis, and the point of intersection is called the origin and is denoted by the letter O. So each axis has a negative side and a positive side similar to a number line. I hope you remember. Now if you look at this figure here, the two axes divide the graph paper in 4 different regions. The first one is this region, this complete area. Any point on this region will have positive value of x and positive value of y. This is called the first quadrant. Likewise, this is called the second quadrant. This one is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. And the signs are provided with the name. If you go through this one properly, first quadrant will have both positive, second quadrant x is negative, y is positive, third quadrant both x and y are positive, and in the fourth quadrant x is positive while y is negative. So these are the 4 quadrants, and to locate the position we have to know the value of x and y, and from that value we can find the position of any point in the graph paper. So let's see this in detail. For example, we want to locate a point 5, 2 in the graph paper. So the first thing is you can see here the point A 5, 2 on the graph paper. This is given in the textbook page 249. To locate this one on the graph paper, what you have to do is, first of all, you see that x is 5 here and y is 2. So as x is positive, you count 5 steps on this side, that is on the positive side of x, and stop there, mark a letter here L, and then as y is also positive, you move 2 steps on this side and mark a letter M. Now if you join these two lines, this M and L, if these two are produced, they come and meet at this point, and this point is called the position of for A here. So if we see this again, 1 2 3 4 5 on this side for x, and then 1 2 for y on this side. After tracing these two, they come and meet at this place, and this is the location of point A. What if the numbers are negative? Let me show you. If both the numbers are, say let's say 1 is negative, then how to find it? For example, I have another point here, B, that is -3 -4. So here x is negative minus. So 1 2 3 steps on this side, we reach here and stop. And for y it is -4, so 1 2 3 4 step downwards and we stop here. Now we have to trace this from P, you come down this side, and from Q you move this side. So these two come and meet at this place. Now this is the position of your point B. Likewise, you can find the position of any point in the graph paper. Let me show you another example. Here I have another example taken from your book. This, and I like this one because it helps us to do things in an easier way. So suppose you want to locate a position of point P64. How to do this? The easier way is move, as P is 64, both x and y are positive, you move 6 steps on this side, and y is positive, so you just move upwards 4 steps. You come and you will stop at this position. This is the position of P64. Let me repeat, P64, so you move 6 steps on this side, and then y is positive, so you just move 4 steps upward. If they are negative, then we will be doing it here. Suppose B is Q is -5 -2. So how to find this one? We will follow the same step. First of all, we'll find x, 5 step on this side. So this is x, and then 2 steps downward as it is minus. So this way also you can find position of points. So I hope you find this easy. This is how we find the location of points on a graph paper, and we call this plotting of points. So after plotting points in a graph paper, we will be able to do the exercise. So if you go to the exercise 17.1, there are a few questions where we have to locate the position of points, and we have to answer a few questions. So your assignment will be to locate a few points and answer a few questions which are totally based on this video. So your assignment will be to solve question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3 of exercise 17.1. Beside 1, 2 and 3, you will also do question number 5 and 6. You will need a graph paper for doing this. I hope you find it easy, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. I hope this video will cover all the concept required for solving this. So it's just plotting of points and just naming the quadrants and all. So I hope it will be quite easy. In case of any doubt, feel free to call me. Let this be all. Thank you.